Have you ever seen black peppers? My daughter brought some down to us. She was nice enough to cut it up and put it in this dish. I am going to take these delicious looking black peppers. They're like green on the inside, but black on the outside. It's so cool looking. I'm going to take these peppers and I'm going to add some yellow onions and some red onions and mushrooms. As you can see, I chopped them all up already, and I'm going to saute them. Whenever I do a veggie saute, I just use whatever I have on hand. It helps me to use up my veggies and keep everything fresh. And then I just use this as a set off to, lunch, dinner, or it can even be a snack. I'm going to melt some butter over medium heat in my saute pan or a fry pan, however you want to say it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil because those two make for a delicious combination. And then I will be putting in the veggies once this gets more melted and a little bit warmer. The butter is all melted and the oil is heating up. I like to use a little bit of extra olive oil to coat the veggies as they're cooking. I turned the heat down now that I put my veggies in, but just listen to that sizzle. I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. I love garlic, so for me, I can't have enough in it in my vegetable sautés. While trying to film me putting the garlic in, I actually dropped my phone on my spoon and the garlic jumped in all by itself. I did not film that, so I can't make it a blooper. It would have been kind of funny. The last thing I want to do is add all of my seasonings, so I want those to also cook in. I'm going to do a little salt, little pepper, and I'll see what else I might find to put in here. I don't like to add a lot of salt, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. And a little bit of pepper. Now this I'm going to be a little bit more generous with. So my husband is planning to take the rest of those black peppers and make peppers and eggs. So we're going to get a second recipe out of it. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper just to give it a little kick. And a little bit of oregano. This is one of my favorite sauces to put into all kinds of things. It's the green pepper sauce made by Tabasco. Everyone knows the red one, but the green one is just as flavorful. And it's a little bit milder. In terms of how long you saute your veggies, it's up to you. If you want them softer, cook them longer. I'm going to put the lid on here and I'm going to turn the heat down even lower. Or if you like it more of a crunch, these are kind of perfect. Even though the onions are still pretty much intact and the peppers are probably more crunchy, I could just stop it right now and eat it as is. This is my 3-ingredient vegetable saute. It is almost done. In fact, I think I'm going to turn the heat off on it and just let it sit in the pan for a little bit. And this is also a low-carb recipe. It helps you use up your veggies that are in your fridge and your pantry. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.